Hello little children. How are you all? I hope you are good at home with your parents and having fun with your study. Welcome to class LKG. I am Poonam Sharma, your class teacher. Today we are going to learn about B letter sound word with phonic. Okay, let's start. Dear kids, please speak after me. B. This is letter B and the sound of letter B is B. B. This is butterfly. B. Butterfly. B. Butterfly. Speak B. Butterfly. The next one is ball. B. Ball. Speak all children. B. Ball. B. Ball. The next one is balloon. B. Balloon. B. Balloon. B. Balloon. The next one is bat. B. Bat. B. Bat. B. Bat. The next one is butter. B. Butter. B. Butter. B. Butter. Thank you kids to listen me. I hope you will learn very easily to see this video. Okay. Thank you. Bye kids. Stay home. Stay safe.